Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be talking about a Subaru blind spot problem. Let's go ahead and check it out.
If your Subaru Outback Wilderness is showing a blind spot alert on the passenger side while you are actually passing a semi-truck on the driver's side, mechanics use the Subaru Select monitor to confirm a software logic failure in the BSD radar assembly. This system error triggers a false warning light on the mirror exactly opposite of where the actual traffic is located. I will reveal the specific diagnostic steps to check your internal part numbers and the final repair bill at the end of this video. This issue is specifically confirmed for the 2022 through 2025 Subaru Outback Wilderness models. The primary symptom occurs while passing very large vehicles like tractor trailers, buses, or full-sized commercial SUVs. Drivers notice the blind spot detection or BSD light illuminating on the clear side of the car, which can be incredibly disorienting at highway speeds. Subaru issued Technical Service Bulletin 0723725 to address this specific software malfunction in the rear cross-traffic alert system. The engineering flaw lies deep within the radar signal processing logic of the rear-mounted sensors. Radar sensors work by emitting high-frequency radio waves that bounce off objects and return to the receiver. The software then calculates the time of flight and the angle of arrival to determine where an object is located. When you pass a massive metal object like a semi-truck, the radar cross-section is much larger than the software expects. The signal bounces off the truck, hits the road, or even the vehicle's own body, creating what engineers call multipath interference. Essentially, the radar sees a ghost reflection that the outdated software interprets as a real vehicle on the opposite side of the car. The manufacturer's original design failed because the filtering algorithms weren't robust enough to distinguish these massive reflections from actual threats. To diagnose this, a technician won't necessarily look for a standard P-code check engine light on the dashboard. Instead, they navigate through the Subaru Select monitor into the blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert menu. They are looking for specific ECU part numbers stored in the radar units themselves. If the tool shows part number 8761.XC02A or any older version, the hardware is confirmed to have the faulty logic. Owners can actually see these part numbers themselves if they are willing to look behind the rear bumper trim. The old part numbers to look for are 87611AN00B, 87611AN00C, 87611X01A, and 87611XC02A. If your vehicle has any of these, the only permanent solution is a physical replacement of the radar modules. The new updated part number that fixes this ghosting issue is 18693AN00A. Replacing these units is a delicate process that involves removing the rear bumper cover and the wilderness-specific fender flares. The radar sensors are tucked into the rear corners of the vehicle frame on specialized mounting brackets. Static electricity is a major risk during this repair, so technicians must use grounded equipment to avoid frying the new modules. Once the new sensors are bolted in, the repair is only half finished. The most critical step is the radar target adjustment or calibration procedure. This requires a specialized reflector placed at a precise distance and height behind the vehicle using a tripod and a plumb bob. If the sensor is angled just 1 degree off, the blind spot view will be pointed at the sky or the pavement. Drivers have reported that this wrong side alert often makes them distrust the safety systems entirely. One owner noted that they nearly swerved into a real vehicle because the false light on the passenger side distracted them from a driver on their left. Another common experience is the false positive, happening most frequently in heavy rain when the radar reflections are even more chaotic. Before this fix was identified, many drivers assumed it was just normal interference from roadside guardrails. Now, for the cost of getting this safety system back to factory standards. If you are within the 3-year or 36,000-mile basic new car limited warranty, Subaru will typically cover the entire cost. If you are outside of that warranty, you are looking at a significant investment in parts and precision labor. The radar units themselves are high-tech components, and the updated 87693AN00A modules are not cheap. A dealership repair involves about 1.8 hours of total labor, which includes the diagnosis, the bumper removal, and the complex target calibration. At a dealership, you should expect a total bill in the neighborhood of $1,360 to $1,450, depending on local parts pricing. An independent shop might save you some money on labor, but they must have the Subaru-specific calibration targets and software to finish the job. An independent shop estimate for this repair usually lands between $1,220 and $1,300. Have you noticed your blind spot lights acting possessed while passing big rigs on the highway? Let us know your experience in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more technical deep dives into your Subaru.
That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.